Okay, my name's Kayla. I'm going to be doing the PPE video skills. So I have my supplies here. I have my gown, my gloves, my mask. I didn't get the biohazard bag in my skills kit, so I'm just going to pretend this is that with the trash next to me, and then I'm going to go ahead and start. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use hand sanitizer to wash my hands. If I wash my hands, I would use water and soap and then just clean for about 15 seconds. So first thing, I'm going to start with the gown. This one doesn't have the thumbs. Next, I would go for the mask. Okay, and then we want to make sure the gloves go over the sleeve. And right away I can tell these gloves don't fit me, so in a real scenario I would make sure I take these off and put real gloves that would fit. And once again, these want to go over the sleeves of the gown. Make sure it's tucked in because this one doesn't have the thumb holes. And that's it. I would perform care, and after I'm done, I would start with my gloves. Grab 2 fingers underneath, and I can just throw that away. So I would just touch the inside, and I would just roll this up, not touching the outside, throwing that away, and that's it. And then I would wash my hands and chart what I did, and that's it. Okay, you can stop.